what's good, y'all? It is January 1st. I'm at the family house in Jamaica right now. We just want to step out and make this vlog real fast. Today's J1. I want to get my phone up and running and then go get busy, get doing some shit. But I'm gonna show you around just to give you a feel of exactly what's going on. So, can I flip this while I'm recording? Nah. All right. So, last time I was here, it was June, and there was a storm that knocked this big old ackee tree down. But you see it's growing back and everything, stronger than ever. Can't stop Mother Nature. And you know, Jamaica is Mother Nature's favorite daughter. And then we got the greenhouse going up right there. You know, all Jamaican architecture is built to last through storms and everything like that. You won't find no greenhouse building being built like this in the US with solid concrete block foundations and everything. We got mad coconut trees coming up right here. Damn, I should show y'all the whole house, but nah, let's get busy. Let me skip the lights out again. But yeah, I'm gonna go get my phone up and running, and I'm gonna show y'all some great shit. I got some videos already, so I'm gonna throw them in the beginning of this video. I'm trying to make it chronological as best as I can, but I ain't editing too much. But yeah, but let me show y'all the plants in the front. My mom got a garden going on. We'll walk past this way. Coconuts. Got a little cat running around there. Yeah. During that storm, man, I'm telling you, coconut trees, flying around. Got a nice little garden going on. Cool little aloe vera, cacti. This is a small greenhouse. But we're building that one in the back just for more space. Clearly we're using up everything here already. Most of these are just flowers, but we're gonna get the herbs going. But yeah, that is that. Big everlasting stones in the front, just for the ambiance. I don't know what the hell this tree was growing. I think it's soursop. I'm trying to show y'all the fruits and veggies that's native to Jamaica. Another coconut tree in the back. I don't remember what type of tree this is. But yeah, that's why we're building a bigger one in the back. Clearly we ran out of space. I want everything inside. Got a nice little hammock. Try to sit down and not bust my ass. Nice little cool hammock going on. Oh, the view is amazing as well. See the hills. I come out here at night, just vibe and everything. Yeah, that's pretty much exactly what it is. All right, next up. Yeah, decided I'm just gonna share out a hole. That's the house right there. Don't mind this. My nieces and nephews out here having a blast. But yeah, there she go right there. I don't got the key to the front, but I'm gonna show you out the front real fast. All right, well, I'm gonna go get started with breakfast. forgetting about his left-hand driving shit. If you're a top-notch driver, that could be an issue. I'm definitely not gonna put on my seatbelt. Definitely not gonna put on my seatbelt. So I'm just going to my grand uncle's house real fast, picking up some food. All right, breakfast done, and I didn't remember that today is a holiday and everything, so the phone store is definitely closed and things like that. I went to the store, picked up some tomatoes, some ginger beer, I put it in the fridge already, and I stopped by like I was telling y'all, my uncle's house, and picked up some breadfruit. We gave him breadfruit yesterday, and he roasted it. And breadfruit, just like the name suggests, is a fruit that has the consistency of bread. It's a good bread substitute. Once I start dining on that, I'm gonna show you how that goes about and everything. But yeah, I can't go get my phone up and running. So what I'm gonna do is just chill out in the hammock for a little bit. I take a nap, get some more sunlight. Yeah, these types of things. Mama here chopping up the breadfruit. This is the consistency after I done roast already. I could be eating right now, but I'm not a fan. I'm a fan of when I fry after this. That and then some mackerel over here. Never had it. Just the mackerel and the breadfruit, slice up, warm up, run down. Yo, Pops.
On the crossbred one, less. And they start there when they're shorter.
Mm-hmm.
I know. That's my car. The man I said, oh, play them a piece on.